A big thanks to Napoleon Grills for sponsoring this episode.
I'm gonna show you something that you've never seen before. What I'm about to do is going to blow your mind. I have a dream that one day all burgers will be fried. Ever since I deep fried that chicken in beer batter, my mind's been racing. What else can I deep fry in beer batter? It just keeps racing. I could do this, I could do that. But when my mind came to the point of deep frying a whole burger, my mind blew a fuse. And of course I started doing some research on the World Wide Web. Of course somebody must have done it before me. This can't be just me coming up with this thing. But then I found nothing. Nothing seriously. Of course there were a few numbnuts deep frying McDonald's burgers. But seriously, I want something delicious. I want something that tastes good and that makes sense. If we fail, if I fail, then you know it can be done. But if I succeed, it's gonna be awesome. This is 1.5 kilograms of beautiful chuck roast. Look at that intramuscular fat. And the fat to meat ratio is around 20 to 80%. And that's perfect for a good burger. Now I'm going to cube this up to around die size and then I'm going to put it in my food processor, grinding it up until I have a beautiful minced meat, which I can shape into burger patties. Once upon a time on a rainy Sunday, my wife decided to buy another pair of shoes that she really didn't need. So I decided I deserved something too. And I bought myself this hamburger press. Of course I never needed that hamburger press, but what else was I supposed to do? So now that I have it, I kind of have to use it. Just like my wife wears the shoes that she in hindsight, well, didn't even like. So I think we're both even now. But are we happy with our life choices? I don't know. I'm gonna be cooking on the Napoleon gas grill and it's my favorite one. It's the Prestige Pro. I built this one myself in Toronto at the factory. You wanna see my pictures? I got albums full of it.
You build your own burger.
It was a momentous.
The gas working, the lights are working, everything's fine.
It was a memorial. It was like a thing.
All right, Lou, send it.
Of course, since I'm grilling burgers, I got a cast iron griddle set up on my grill grate. I'm gonna let it come up to temperature, and then I'm gonna start cooking on it. And don't forget the most important step. I'm gonna use a side burner with this pan to fry the burgers in. See, and that's why I love gas grills. They're gonna make my life easy and gonna help me make the perfect burger. When grilling burgers, preparation is key. That's why the first thing that I did was make a good burger sauce, even though we only need it in the end. And this is a mayonnaise-based sauce, so I'm starting with 400 milliliters of oil, 2 eggs, pinch of salt, some mustard, a couple of turns on the pepper mill, and then I'm going to whisk it up until we have a mayonnaise. To the mayonnaise I'm adding fine chopped chives, fine chopped pickles, and a couple of tablespoons of ketchup. And I'm gonna mix that up and our burger sauce is done. The next step was preparing the beer batter. Now because I make videos, I wanna make it look good, and I'm gonna use twice the amount that you're actually gonna need. But if you're looking for the exact amounts, go to our website, pitmasterx.com. So this is 600 grams of all-purpose flour mixed with 600 milliliters of beer, 6 eggs, 150 milliliters of sunflower oil and a pinch of salt. Mixed up and make sure that you get it nice and thick. If not, add more flour. And now it's finally time to use that heated up cast iron plate. Of course I want to start with the bacon. The bacon is going to season the cast iron plate and helps to make it non-stick. And all of that grease from the bacon is perfect to brown our buns with. Once they're beautifully golden brown, it's time to put our burger patties on. I'm gonna make sure I get a beautiful sear, put a little bit of seasoning on, put some slices of cheese on, and then build up my burger. Let's build it up. First cheeseburger, bacon, second cheeseburger, onion, cap, done. Now let's put some batter on. Once fully coated, time to drop it in the hot oil. I pressed some burger patties, grilled them, put a slice of cheese on, stacked them up on a bun. Then I covered the whole bun with beer batter. Fried it up, and there you have it. World's first delicious double cheeseburger fried in beer batter. This started out as an experiment, but everything went well on the first try. I definitely didn't expect that. I was thinking like, the thing is gonna fall apart, everything is gonna be wet, the thing, it's not gonna work. I gotta tweak it, like build it up, so I prepped everything. I have still 5 burger patties, couple of buns. I'm ready for another couple of tries, but it happened in the first one. And now my mind is boggled because I was thinking like, when I did the research, why does nobody do it? And the obvious answer is because it doesn't work. But it does work. I tried, I've proven it, it works. Now the question is, does it taste as good as it looks? Still a little bit of pink in the burger. Oh, that's so good. I love that. Here we go.
This is really good. This is ridiculous.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What happened? Why is this not a thing? No, come on.
Why is it good?
I don't know.
Why does this work?
I don't know.
I don't know what to say. You even taste the beer. Pretty
It's beer.
pretty good.
This literally is ridiculous. I'm opening up. This is it. We're doing it. I'm opening up a burger place, and this is going to be the burger. I want Mitchell to taste it too. Mitchell, come. Ingmar's also here. And if you don't know who these people are, watch our vlog, please do.
What?
It's like what? It's like drinking a beer and eating a burger at the same time. It's so delicious. And it's like there's cheese everywhere and the sauce is on top. It's even better. It's messy, but it's really, really good.
How is this not a thing yet?
I don't get it either.
This is insane. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this.
How is it not in your beard? How did that?
How did you do that?
How did you do that?
It's years of training.
Are you a beer type of dog? Or you're more like a white, it's a lady. Eva's a lady. She wants me to put it on the floor. I'm gonna put it on the floor. It's okay, she's gonna eat it. She's gonna love it. I'm gonna eat this one, but you better click on the next video because that's not as awesome as this one, but pretty awesome too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave us a big thumbs up in the comment down below. Don't forget to check out our website, pitmasterx.com. And big thank you to the patrons and YouTube members. See you next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on grilling.